Alright guys, alright, so we are on MatchTrader here. So if you're having issues with navigating around MatchTrader, this video is for you. So I'm going to be explaining how to use MatchTrader, how to trade with MatchTrader, and how to navigate the basic things in MatchTrader. As you guys all know, MatchTrader is a trading tool, just like your MT5 and your MT4, but is commonly and popularly used by prop firms. So most brokers use TradeLocker, most brokers use MatchTrader now, but it is commonly used by prop firms. So if you have a prop firm account that uses MatchTrader, this video is for you. Or you intend buying a prop firm account, you can click on the link on my bio, get an account on discount. You see the list of prop firms that are running discounts. Click on the link, create an account, purchase an account. So when you purchase an account and you're using MatchTrader, this video is for you. MatchTrader is actually a tool that is fast, efficient, and actually a bit more easier than people think. So here we are on MatchTrader on my mobile device. You can see we have trade, we have position, we have history, and we have account. Account is for signing up and signing in. Then trade is your watch list, where you have your different trading pairs from Euro USD down to stocks, down to gold, and all of those stuff. Whatever you don't have on your watch list, you can come to symbols, search the name. Let's say we trade on commodities. You want to add silver, you can just come here and add silver. Or want to add you want to add nickel, you can just add nickel. And then I think once you click on favorite, which is this star icon right here, the symbol is going to be added. But the watch list has an amount of pairs you can add. So the amount of pairs here, I think, is filled up. So you search your pair, you click on favorite. Like Euro USD is here because it is favorited. So if you search for Euro USD, but normally when you buy an account and you sign in, you're going to see your watch list empty. So if you have Euro USD and you want it to be there, you have to favorite it. So you can see that the star is already marked field. It means it's already on the watch list. So once you log in, sign in on your MatchTrader, your watch list will be empty. You just have to search at all symbols, search the currency pair or the stocks you want to trade, and then click on the star to favorite it, and it's going to be on your watch list. So that's it for watch list. You want to head into the charts. You want to analyze. You have your Euro USD there. Once you click on it, takes you to the chart, and on this chart, TradingView is integrated into your MatchTrader, so you can switch to TradingView to use the TradingView tool to analyze the market. So you have your market and you have your pending order as well. So if you click on your pending order, you can put your sell stop, you can put your buy limit. Now if I click on TradingView, it is going to switch to TradingView. So you have all the TradingView tools, you can see it here. You have your text, you have your measure, you have your short, your long, you have your Fibonacci, you have your trend line. Everything on TradingView is integrated once you switch. Now on Euro USD, now if you click on buy, for instance, this is the lot size you're going to use. You can increase it. Then you can scroll down. Take profit and then stop loss. Take profit and then stop loss. So you can put your take profit here, and then you can put your stop loss here. So this is for your take profit and stop loss. For you guys already know, you can put it here, and then when you're done with that, you will see save. The moment you're logged in and you click on that, you see modify and save. Once you click on save, it goes through. That's if you buy or sell. So that's it for opening the chart and placing your buy and sell. So once you place your position Let's say you're in a running position, you want to check, you don't want to open the chart, you can come on position, and then you're going to see open, and you're going to see pending order. So pending order is for your orders, and open is for position you have running, and you're going to see that you can open and close them from here. Click on them, and you see where to close. You can close them from here once they are open and they are running. So, and you also see the profit. So when you click on history, you're going to see the history of your trades backdating from 24 hours down to 365 days. And when you click on it, you see all your trading history on the account. The same thing you have on MT4 as well. That's it for history. And then you have finance. Finance is for news, performance. You see your performance. It has like a statistics to check your level of profitability, and then you get an account. So this account is where you sign up and you log in. That's the two most important things you need to know. Sign up and log in. You don't need to sign up, because when you buy an account from a broker or a prop firm, but you get an account from a prop firm that has MatchTrader, they give you login details. So when you click on signing, most of the time, they have this link for you to go straight to MatchTrader, web MatchTrader, because MatchTrader runs on web application. MatchTrader runs on the web mostly, you understand? But if they give you login details, you log in, put in your email, and then put in your password, and then you sign in. Once you sign in, your name is going to, Profirm server is going to show, and it's going to, this open live is no longer going to be here. You understand? That's it. It's not going to be there. So that's basically like a short guide on how to use MatchTrader, how to place your stop loss, how to place your take profit, how to use your pending order. I have just broke everything down into pieces for you guys to understand, and I made sure this video was very short for you guys to understand. So next time I'm going to be doing a video, I'm going to be showing you a profit account from Good Funded that I've been trading, and I'm in phase 2 of the account, and I'm going to be show you guys how I'm able to use MatchTrader trading the account, trading the profit account. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Do well to leave a like button, subscribe, and then share this video. I really, really appreciate your views, and your sharing and your liking is going to motivate me to keep making more videos like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.